In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create children's books in Canva. Self-publishing a children's book can be an exciting and rewarding creative project, but the design side can feel overwhelming if your pages are not set up correctly from the start. Problems like bad spacing, text too close to the edge, or artwork getting trimmed during printing can slow everything down. The good news is that Canva makes this process much easier, even if you are not using advanced publishing software. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to set up your book properly, organize your pages, place text and illustrations, and export a print-ready file. To begin, head to Canva's homepage and click Create a Design in the top right corner. From there, choose Custom Size. One of the most important things here is changing the unit from pixels to inches, because children's books are printed as physical products, not just viewed on screens. Enter the dimensions required for your book, such as 8.5 by 8.5 inches for a square format, or 8 by 10 inches for a more traditional portrait layout. Then create the new design. Starting with the correct size helps everything else line up properly later. Once your blank canvas opens, the next step is to turn on your visual guides. Open the File menu, go into View Settings, and enable both Show Rulers and Guides and Show Margins. These guides act like safety boundaries. They help you keep important text, faces, and illustrations away from the trim area so nothing important gets cut off when the book is printed. Now you can start building the rhythm of your story by adding text. On the left side, click Text and choose Add a Text Box. Children's books work best when the wording is clear, easy to read, and not overcrowded. Use the toolbar at the top to choose bold, playful fonts that still feel readable. Keep your sentences short and place them neatly inside the safe margin area, leaving enough open space for illustrations to breathe. After that, it's time to add your artwork. Use uploads if you have your own illustrations, or elements if you want to use Canva's built-in graphics. Drag the artwork onto the page and resize it as needed. If you want a full bleed effect where the image reaches all the way to the edge of the page, stretch it slightly past the page border. Just make sure the most important part of the image stays safely inside the margin area. Finally, open Grid View near the bottom of the workspace so you can see all your pages together. This makes it easier to manage pacing across the whole story. You can duplicate pages quickly to build out your full book layout. When everything looks polished, click Share or Download, choose PDF Print, enable crop marks and bleed, and download your final file. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.